we had seen the nominal account and the rules of nominal account and the meaning of books of original entry, journal, journalizing, and the steps required for journal entry. Okay, so rules of nominal account. Rules of nominal account. Hannah. Rules of nominal account.
Debit all expenses and losses.
Very good. And credit?
Credit all incomes and gains.
Yes, very good. Okay, debit all expenses and losses, and credit all incomes and gains. Next, what do you mean by journal? What do you mean by journal? Aparna, what do you mean by journal?
Sir, a journal is a daybook which is kept with the business in a complete history of transaction of accounting nature, including the debit and credit aspect chronologically.
It's shown chronologically. Very good. So, what do you mean by journalizing? What do you mean by journalizing? Karthik.
Sir, journalizing is the process or the art of recording transaction in the book of journal.
Okay, very good. The process of recording transactions in the journal is called journalizing. Next, what do you mean by books of original entry or books of prime entry? Books of original entry or books of prime entry? Anuj.
These are the books of account in which the transactions are recorded originally from the prime sources.
Okay, very good. Okay, these are the books of account in which the transactions are recorded first. Okay, so next, paid wages. What is the general? Paid wages. Basic. Paid wages. Paid wages. Paid wages. Wages. Entry will be, it is a nominal account, it is an expense. Journal will be basically paid wages.
Yes.
Journal entry for paid wages.
Sir, cash account debit.
So if you pay, you will get cash.
No, sir.
So entry will be
Uh,
paid wages. You paid. If cash goes, cash credit. So debit will be what? Wages.
Wages.
So wages accounted to cash account. Next, Anila received commission. Received commission.
Cash accounted to commission.
Commission. Okay, very good. Cash accounted to commission. Next, Irfan paid office expenses. Paid office expenses. Paid office expenses. Paid office expenses. Debit will be paid office expenses. Paid office expenses. Atul,
Yes, sir.
paid office expenses.
Cash account to office expenses.
Look that whether you will get or you have to pay cash.
Sir, we have to pay the
Pay.
cash office.
So if cash goes, cash debit or credit?
Cash goes. It's
Cash.
credit
Yes. So it will be
account.
so office expense account to cash.
Cash account.
Okay, office expense account to cash. That you have to remember. Debit. Suppose you look that in that question, that head is expense or income. Paid wages. Wages is expense. So wages debit only. Opposite cash. Received commission. Received. We received commission. So commission is expense or income. Income credit. So debit will be cash. Clear? Now one more question. Anjo. Paid legal expenses. Paid legal expenses. Legal expenses.
Cash account debit to legal expense.
Look, paid legal expenses. So legal expense debit or credit. That head. Legal expense. Anjo. Expense. So it will be.
Credit.
So legal expense account to cash account. That is the thing. Received rent. Received rent. Femina, what is the received rent?
Cash accounted to
Very good. Cash accounted to rent. Okay, so you look at that. Rent is income. So income credit. So debit will be cash. So one more. Paid audit fees. Paid audit fees. Shubham Par. Paid audit fees. Paid audit fees.
Cash account to office account.
Cash account to audit fees. Whether it is correct. Office audit fees is your expense or income. Audit fee. Expense. Audit fee is expense. So expense debit or credit.
Credit.
So what is the rule of nominal account? Shubham. Debit or
Credit.
Debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. If expense is the debit. So one more question for Shubham. Paid rent. Paid rent. So it will be paid rent. Unmute. Paid rent.
Credit.
Generally, you can tell. Debit to credit note, I was asking generally.
Cash account to credit account.
Paid rental. So you will get cash. If you pay rental, you will get cash. Rule is debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Okay. So here rent is your expense. So debit. So rent account into cash account. One more question, Shubham Par. Paid traveling expenses. Paid traveling expenses. And will be paid traveling expenses.
Travel expense.
Correct. Traveling expense account to cash. Okay. Now I get it. Okay. So we will do the problems. So already I given one question that we will do. Listen. So we know the steps. Okay, we know the steps of journal. First, we are writing the date, the right date of the transaction in the date column. So 1, 2, 3, 4 I given. So we assume that is 1/1/2010. Okay, 1st January 2010. Okay, so write the date of the transaction in the date column. Suppose it is journal, heading will be journal. You draw the column, it is a format of journal. Date, particulars, LF. LF full form, ledger folio number. Ledger folio number means page number of ledger. Page number of ledger. Ledger folio number, LF. Okay, LF is ledger folio number. Ledger folio number means page number of ledger. Page number of ledger. Page number of ledger. So this will be completed when the posting is done. After ledger only we can write that number 1, 2, 3 on that basis. Now no need to do anything in LF. Okay, but you have to draw the column. Okay, ledger folio number, that is LF. Page number of ledger means after journal we will do ledger. So after ledger only we will write the number of ledger. Okay, but you have to write the column of LF. Ledger folio number. Ledger folio number means page number of ledger. Clear? So we will do, so draw the column date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Debit amount, credit amount. So on the basis of question we will do the problem. First one, Nishant started business with cash. Now we are doing all the transactions. So we studied all the accounts. Okay, real, nominal, personal, everything we studied. So mixed problem we will study. First one, Nishant started business with the cash. So we know that what is the January? Started business with the cash, that is capital. So what is the January? Anyone? Started business with the cash. Nishant started business with the cash.
Cash account debit to
Very good. Cash account debit to Nishant capital. So how to write? First we have to write. We studied the format steps. Cash account small c debit to, after leaving a little space to the left, right? To Nishant's capital account. Nishant capital account. Okay, cash account debit to Nishant's capital account. Then after that, you have to write narration. What do you mean by narration? A brief description of a transaction. You have to write being started business. Being started business. If you can write question full also no problem without any started business with the cash no problem. Otherwise, being it is a brief description of a transaction. So you can expect the one question. What do you mean narration? After the narration, you have to underline. Okay, so first entry is over. Then you have to look at what is amount. For the debit aspect, see. For the debit aspect, you are writing the debit column. You look at the same. Okay, then for the credit aspect, credit column you have to write 25,000. For every debit, there must be a corresponding credit. Okay, you know that debit is equal to credit. Any doubt? First you have to write debit aspect, then after leaving little space to the left, we shall capital account, then a brief description of a transaction narration, then for the debit aspects, Debit column for the credit aspect, same direction, same. Okay. Next one. Any related to journal you can ask. Next, purchased machinery from machine house. Purchased machinery from machine house. Shubham, what is salary? Purchased machinery from machine house. Purchased machinery, machinery asset, real account. So what is the salary? Tell.
Purchase machinery account to cash account.
Here not the cash because here name only given. So it will be credit. So instead of cash, what we have to write? That name you have to write.
Credit.
Okay, machine house. Okay, so entry will be listen carefully. So here purchased machinery, not the purchase machinery, right? You have to write machinery account. Okay, machinery account. If it is purchased goods, write purchase account. So you are right to date to 1/2010. You have to write machinery account debit to little space to machine house. It is a credit. I said machine house already. I said if only name it is given, it is a credit. Name and cash is given. Purchase from machine house for cash is cash. Instead of machine house, you can write cash. Nothing mentioned means it is a credit. You have to write being purchased machinery from machine house. Otherwise, being purchased machinery on credit. That also you can write. For the debit aspects, debit column. For the credit aspects, credit column. Any doubts? Hadi, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So second question. Purchased machinery from machine house. Machinery account to machine house. Next one. Bought furniture for cash. Third question. Bought furniture for cash. Hanna Sai, what is the agree? Bought furniture for cash. Purchased furniture for cash. What is the salary?
Furniture account to
Furniture account to cash account. So third entry you have to write. Date will be 3. So 3/1/2010. Entry will be furniture account debit to cash account. Narration will be being purchased furniture. So amount will be 5,000. It is given. No, 2,500. So debit 2,500. Credit 2,500. Okay. Purchased furniture for cash. Furniture account to cash account. Okay, it is a real account. Debit what comes in and the credit what goes out. Okay, so next sold goods on credit to Ashish. Sold goods on credit to Ashish 5,000. Sold goods on credit to Ashish. It is a credit sale. Sold goods to Ashish. Aparna, what is the name? Sold goods. not for cash. Sold goods on credit to Ashish. So entry will be
Sir,
tell me.
credit account debt.
Credit account that to instead of credit what we have to write the name.
Sale account. Sale
So
account.
Ashish account that to Ashish account to
Sale.
sale account. Okay,
Sale
correct.
account.
Ashish account that to sales. Okay, so next entry will be 4 1 2 Ashish account debit because it is credit sale to sales account amount will be 5,000 so narration will be being sold goods on credit, being sold goods on credit, being sold goods on credit. Okay, so next so 5 date 5. So next question, purchased goods for cash. Purchased goods for cash. Purchased
മൂന്ന് പേരുണ്ട് മൂന്ന് ചായ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കരിക്കുമ്പളം കൊടുക്കണം.
Hello. Purchased goods for cash. Anat. Journal entry.
Sir,
Yes. Correct only. Shall.
purchased goods
Account data to
cash account.
very good. Okay. Purchase account data to cash account. So you write entry will be purchase account debit to cash account. Purchase account data to cash account. Amount will be 5,000. Narration will be being purchased goods. Purchased goods for cash. So next question, purchased goods for cash. Next, received commission. Received commission. Karthik, received commission.
Sir, cash account at to
Correct.
commission account.
Cash account data to
Commission account.
commission account. Very good. Next entry, received commission. So entry will be cash account data to commission. So cash account debit to commission account. Commission account. Narration will be being received commission. Being received commission. Amount will be 2,000. Okay, being received commission rupees 2,000. Next, paid salary rupees 3,000. Paid salary expense. Paid salary rupees 3,000. Atul, what is the entry? paid salary rupees 3,000. Paid salary. Salary. Expense.
Sir, cash account to salary.
Paid salary. Paid salary expense. Paid salary rupees 3,000.
Sir, cash account to salary.
Salary.
Return to
So if you
salary.
pay salary, you will get or you have to pay cash.
Sir, cash account debited to salary.
Wrong. Because salary is expense. So what is the rule of nominal accounts, Atul? Rules of nominal account.
Debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes
So
and gains.
debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. So salary, expense or income?
Sir, expense.
Expense. So
Debit.
salary will be.
Debit.
So entry you tell. Now you tell the correct entry.
Sir, salary account.
Yes,
Debited
salary
to
account added to
cash.
cash account. Okay, so it is expense. So debit will be salary. So entry will be 7. Entry will be salary account debit. Salary account debit to cash account. Salary account debit to cash. Amount will be 3,000. 3,000. Being paid salary. Being paid salary. So next Basil turn on your video. Received cash from Ashish. Received cash from Ashish. Personal account. Received cash from Ashish. What is the entry? Received.
Sir, cash account debted to
Cash account added to. Received
persons
cash from Ashish. So cash account added
to Ashish account.
Okay, very good. So next entry will be cash account debit to Ashish. Cash account debit to Ashish account. Amount will be 4,000. 4,000. Narration will be being received cash from Ashish. So next paid cash to Anand. Paid cash to Anand. Chongli. Paid cash to Anand. We paid cash to Anand. Personal account. Entry will be
cash account
paid cash to Anand.
Anand account
Yes, Anand account to
cash account.
Cash account. Okay, Anand account to cash account. So paid cash to Anand. Anand account debit to cash account. Okay, amount will be 5,000. 5,000. Being paid cash to Anand. Being paid cash to Anand. Anand account debit to cash account. So next question. Purchased goods for cash. Purchased goods for cash. Purchased goods for cash. Femina. What is the generally? Purchased goods for cash.
Purchase account debtor to
Purchase
cash
account to purchase account to cash account. Okay. Purchase account to cash account. Purchase account debit to cash account. Rupees 5,000. Purchase account to cash. Rupees 2,000. 2,000. Being purchased goods. Being purchased goods. Okay. Next, next journal. Next, cash deposited into bank. Cash deposited into bank. Cash deposited into bank. Personal account. Aditya. Cash deposited into bank.
Bank account debtor to cash account.
Very good. Bank account debtor to cash account. Cash deposited into bank. So entry will be bank account debit to cash account. So amount will be 20,000. 20,000. Narration will be being deposited cash into bank. So next, cash withdrawn from bank. Cash withdrawn from bank. Personal account, Irfan. Cash withdrawn from bank. Cash withdrawn from bank. Chal.
Bank account to
Cash withdrawn
cash
from bank.
bank account.
That is cash deposited to bank. That is last entry. Here, cash withdrawn from bank.
Bank drawings.
Not for personal use. It is
Not-
for office use. So, if
Cash
you yes, cash account debtor to bank account.
Cash to bank account.
Bank account. Okay. If you deposit amount in the bank, bank account to cash. If we withdraw cash from bank, then cash account to bank. Okay, cash account, cash withdraw from bank, then entry will be cash account debit to bank account. So narration will be being cash withdrawn from bank. Amount will be 3,000. Okay. So next day we will continue the remaining problem. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.